Hello everyone. In this video, we show you how to get a Tradingview discount. We can save money on our subscription and make sure we are not paying full price if we don't have to. Many people think Tradingview is expensive, and it can be if we pay full price. But there are several legit ways to get discounts or deals that make premium much more affordable. Let's break them down. First, seasonal sales. Tradingview is known for its biggest discounts on Black Friday and Cyber Monday each year. During these events, annual plans across all tiers, like Essential Plus Premium and Ultimate, can be discounted by up to 70% or more. These usually start around late November and run through early December. If we are thinking about a paid plan, we should mark our calendars for that window. That's the best time to upgrade. Sometimes, Tradingview also runs other flash or holiday sales during the year. These might match up with market events, quarterly pushes, or seasonal promotions, but these discounts are usually smaller and don't last as long as the Black Friday sales. Next, the free trial and follow-up offers. When we sign up for a free trial or a paid plan, whether that's Essential, Plus, Premium, or Ultimate, Tradingview sometimes emails a discount offer near the end of our trial. This can be around 15 to 25% off if we switch to an annual plan right after the trial. So we shouldn't ignore that trial email. It's often the simplest way to save without waiting for a big sale. Another way to save is with billing timing and plan choices. Even if we don't have promo codes or sales, we get a discount when we pay annually instead of monthly. Tradingview's annual billing is usually cheaper overall because it spreads the cost over a year at a lower rate. So, if we use Tradingview regularly, paying annually instead of monthly already saves us money. Also, watch for referral deals and local offers. Sometimes, Tradingview sends special local promotions or referral credit offers to users by email. These are often limited and region-specific. So, we should check our inbox and click Explore Offers in our account if a promo banner shows up. Referral links from YouTubers or trading communities can also give us bonus credits or small discounts at checkout. A few quick tips to help us get the best price. Always use the desktop website to check out. Promos don't always show up in the mobile app. Check our email for sale announcements. Tradingview often emails deals before they go public. If we have a discount available and the plan is already active, we can use it on our renewal and extend our subscription at the lower price. To sum up, we should wait for Black Friday or Cyber Monday for the biggest deals, use our free trial offers, pay annually instead of monthly, and keep an eye on email promos or referral credits. All of these can add up to big savings.